तो आइए देवी और सज्जनों, उद्घाटन कार्यक्रम का आगाज करते हैं स्वागत गायन के साथ।
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
আলোয় আলোকময় করে এলে আলোর আলো আমার নয়ন হতে আধার মিলালো মিলালো আলোয় আলোকময় করে এলে আলোর আলো।
Put your hands together to welcome the Honorable Member of Parliament लोकसभा हमारे चीफ जनरल सेक्रेटरी के कर कमलों से प्रदान किया जा रहा है माननीय लोकसभा सांसद डॉक्टर इन्द्रहाङ सुब्बा को प्रोफेसर ज्योति प्रकाश तामाङ जीलाई पनि हामी स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छौँ। उहाँलाई पनि टोकन अफ लभ प्रदान गरिरहेका छौँ।
We are here in Chintan Bhavan for the inaugural ceremony of 27 National Integration and Youth Leadership Camp. Will be held on and from 24 December to 31st December, Gangtok, Sikkim, in cooperation of Government of Sikkim, North Eastern Council, and Government of India. This camp will be holding the Chintan Bhavan and Paljar Stadium, Gangtok, Sikkim. I welcome to the all dignitaries, all professors, experts, faculties, and local administrative will be present here inaugural ceremony of our National Integration and Youth Leadership Camp today. This year, the theme of our National Integration Camp is empowering youth for Viksit Bharat. The various national seminars on current topics on science and technology, culture among the young participants. The participants of the students and youth from different corners of northeast of India leads to cultural exchange and rose their awareness about their cultural heritage of our country.
This is the 27th National Integration and Youth Leadership Camp, and I know all of you are very bright students, and all of you know what national integration means. You are from Sikkim, people speak in Sikkimese language. I am from Bengal, I speak in, Bengali language. But what is common about two of us? You are from India, I am from India. I take oxygen of India, you take oxygen of India. I take water of India, you take water of India. And that is what is known as, integration. That without this soil I cannot live. And that is the purpose. And that is what the Honorable Prime Minister wants to say again and again. That, India will be strong. In what way it will be strong? It will be strong through the efforts and through the good work of the persons who are sitting over here. So they are extremely committed people, extremely gifted, extremely talented, and they are here to show you how disciplined people can be and how they can do such great things of exhibition, science and technology talks, cultural programs, and many other things.
It is time to inaugurate the 27th National Integration Camp, and to do the honors, I most humbly request our chief guest, Dr. Indrahang Subbaji, followed by the special guest and other dignitaries.
तपाईहरु सबैलाई आज यो 27औं नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन यूथ लीडरशिप कैम्प में सिक्किम में स्वागत छ। आप सबको सिक्किम में स्वागत है। So today this integration camp for the youth is very important because we are going to start our work, not to celebrate, but to start working what the Honorable Prime Minister has made a deadline that the Vikasit Bharat by 2047, that when we attain the 100 years of our independence, most of us may not be alive there, if so, but you will be there. What is very important thing is they ignite the mind of the youth. What is very important thing is that it is science and the culture. Science, science is not a subject for the scientists only. Those who are students of the physics, chemistry, microbiology, it is not like that. Science is a part of the daily life of every human being. So Vikasit Bharat वही है कि what is very important thing, the leadership doesn't mean to be a leader of the political party. Leadership means to be a good father, good husband, good teacher, good scientist, good administrator, good businessman, everywhere, a good social worker, where you have a leadership.
सेंट्रल कलकत्ता साइंस एंड कल्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का मेंबर्स जो है, जो रिसोर्स पर्सन्स के रूप में यहाँ आए हैं और पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, among them are very prominent personalities from different universities. We have professors here. We have teachers from very good schools with long experience in teaching and guiding our young minds. We also have specialized scientists from different organizations. So I think this integration camp for our youths, especially from Sikkim and our northeastern states, is a very good opportunity for the participants to understand what really our country is planning to have in next 25 years when we actually aspire to become a Vikasit Bharat. विभिन्न स्टेटहरूबाट विशेष आसाम, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, मणिपुर, नागाल्यान्ड, त्रिपुरा, मिजोराम, मेघालय अनि हाम्रो राज्य सिक्किमबाट यहाँ उपस्थित युवा भाइ बहिनीहरू सम्पूर्णलाई म न्यानो अभिवादन व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु। यो पहिलो चोटि सिक्किममा हुँदैछ, तर नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन एंड यूथ लीडरशिप चाहिँ यो चाहिँ 27th हो। भन्नुको अर्थ सालमा एउटा इंटीग्रेशन क्याम्प गरे तापनि प्राय जस्तो आज यहाँ पार्टिसिपेन्ट्सहरू जतिजना हुनुहुन्छ तपाईको उमेरभन्दा बेसी चाहिँ यो इंटीग्रेशन क्याम्प भइसकेको छ। सो 27th मोस्ट अफ यू आई बेट कि तपाईहरु 27 इयर्स पुगेको पार्टिसिपेन्ट्स यहाँ प्राय छैन, एक्सेप्ट फर हाम्रो पार्टी हामी यो डाइसमा बस्ने अनि फ्रन्ट रोमा बस्ने बाहेक अरु सबै कोही पनि 27 इयर्स पुगेको छ जस्तो मलाई लागेन। यो मैले स्ट्रेस गर्नुको एउटा रिजन के हो भन्दाखेरि
On the grand occasion of 27th National Integration and Youth Leadership Camp and National Seminars, it is my privilege to give vote of thanks to all our dignitaries, guests, colleagues, teachers, and all participants, and my dear students. My deep sense of thanks and appreciation goes to Indian Air Force, Indian Army, Government of Sikkim, Northeastern Council, all PSUs, departments and ministries of Government of India.
have taken almost 50 years just to cross the solar system. आप लोगों ने सुना होगा Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, which was launched around 1970. Only couple of years back, it has crossed the solar system. So just solar system, जो कि यूनिवर्स में एक डॉट जैसा है, इसको क्रॉस करने में हमको 50 years लग गया. That is also nuclear powered, satellite. If we see human civilization, exploration is in our blood. Much before the exploration of space, first we wanted to explore the earth itself. Even today also probably every nook and corner of earth has not been explored. But people started their journey. Just with a boat, Columbus started from Europe and then he reached to America and discovered America. So exploration was always there in our blood. Now, when almost earth is explored, we are now trying to explore the space. And what is the inspiration? It is a scientific and technological development. Economy is another inspiration now. Last year when India was heading G20 summit, that time for the third time probably, that space economy leaders meet was introduced.
So the first key to success is get your priorities right. If you want to be happy before successful, you have to prioritize your happiness first. If you see today, we are at the juncture of time in our country that the population of youth is highest. That is, every third person in the country is a youth, 27.1%, 27.2%. And see, towards 2047, we are going to be a country in the world where we will have the largest workforce by 2047. But when it comes to happiness, our ranking at the global level, it is towards the lower end of the countries, below 5. See India, 4.1 rating out of 8.
Sikkim, if you look into the 2011 census, it is populated with 6.1 lakh people and is the second smallest state of the Indian Union. And geographically, it is situated in the eastern Himalayan mountains. So, Sikkim is a land of pristine beauty with a unique culture caused by the diffusion of Buddhism, Hinduism, animistic religion, born, Christianity, Islam, and other religious faiths. So later, it has been touched by the mushrooming human development activities as seen in the rest of India. And religious faith among the locals have been a mainstay. The rolling prayer wheels, I hope most of you must have visited.
I've come here as a testament to you, standing in front of you, that I was extremely bad at math, and now I'm a researcher doing science and doing mathematics for a living. So probably anyone can. The idea of mathematical thinking is something that even if you don't take math as a career, is extremely useful. Even school kids, right? Like even I think you would have played games. Like tell me what's the largest number? Does the largest number exist? How many people think the largest number exists? Raise your hands. Probably no one. Okay. So the experiment is right. Like there are two of you who play this game, and someone says I know the largest number. So someone speaks of the largest number, just add +1, and you have a number larger than that. And then you speak one more number, you can do +1. So you never reach the largest number, right? And this is something that any one of us can understand.
Few online platforms are there, and drug addicts are using these platforms from coming out from overcoming drug addiction. The Narcotic Anonymous, it is a global online community which help to de-addict from addiction. Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration. This is US government program, but it is available in every online platforms worldwide. This is Drug Abuse Resistance Education there. A global program providing education and support for youth to resist drug abuse, and it is available on internet. Games and simulations few games are available, and you can use, every addict can use these games to overcome from addiction.
So basically we have three types of entries. One is the UPSC conducted by the Government of India. One is the AFCAT exams conducted by the Air Force. And another entry is NCC special entry, that is if you hold C certificate. Now talking about type of commission, that means when you join, what type of job will you have? You will either have a permanent one or a short one, okay? Permanent commission will last for your lifetime. And short service commission, when you join as a short service commissioned officer, your terms of engagement is only for 10 years.
It is important for all of us to realize that maritime identity of our country is integral to our national identity. With the sea on three sides and high mountains on the fourth, it has been said that our country lies in the very lap of Indian Ocean. Our history, our geography, our economy, our position and interactions in a globalized world, our nation's development and security are all intricately and intimately connected to the maritime domain, which is essentially the Indian Ocean, which surrounds India from three sides. However, our headquarters, known as Naval Headquarters or NHQ, is at Delhi, close to the nation's leaders, and is headed by the Chief of the Naval Staff, a 4-star admiral. Under him, the Navy is divided into 3 geographical commands, each headed by a 3-star admiral called Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief or just Commander-in-Chief.
इंडियन आर्मी देश का दूसरा ताकतवर आर्मी माना जाता है। साथ ही साथ आर्मी ने 4 मेजर वर्ल्ड वार अटेंड किया हुआ है, जैसे कि 1948 एंड 62, 65 एंड 71 का। इसके साथ साथ कारगिल लड़ाई में भी आप लोगों को सबको पता है बहुत अच्छा काम किया हुआ है। आर्मी में क्यों ज्वाइन होना, आप लोगों को पता है, आमतौर पर आप लोग सिविल में जाने से एक फौजी आदमी का, आर्मी मैन का डिसिप्लिन अलग दर्जे से पता चलता है। जैसे एक सिविलियन से एक आर्मी मैन, उनका बातचीत करने का और चलने फिरने का तरीकों से आप लोगों को अलग से पता चलेगा। साथ साथ आप लोग आर्मी में आने के बाद अपना प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ भी बढ़ा सकता है।
National integration, which is very, very important at this moment and for which this camp has been organized. That is the most important part, to develop an integration and oneness. So through this, some presentations, I will discuss all these things. And unity among people of a country where all citizens, irrespective of any culture, live together peacefully. Yes, we are living peacefully. For now it is 77 years after the independence, and this is a unique democracy in the whole of the world. There we have many neighbors, they don't have proper democracy, they don't have any proper integration, lot of troubles they are facing, but yes, we are lucky in that way. The national integration paved the way for the people to work together for the development of a country. That is also a very important part. It also provides strength to fight against the evil forces like communalism and terrorism. That is also very important.
Right. मैं भी आप ही की तरह एक यूथ हूँ और मेरा भी एक ओरिएंटेशन है 2047 विकसित भारत को लेके। Empowerment, young people can act on their own. Defining empowerment was, I don't want to be interfered by anyone. What I want to achieve, I can achieve. But interference is not a self-reliance. ठीक है, आत्मनिर्भर। Unless or until you will not be empowered, you cannot go with opportunities. Opportunity creation means I'm not creating opportunity for myself, but I'm creating opportunity for everyone with whom I'm connected into the society.
Now, we are going to felicitate our Honorable Minister, Raju Basnet.
Honorable Minister, maximum time is busy. I personally meet with the Honorable Minister, very nice gentleman and post lover, youth lover. That's why he came here.
I am glad to be here with you all today. It is indeed a great honor for me to be with you all. In fact, Mr. Nimai Chandra Pramanik had requested me to be present in their inaugural function that was being held at Chintan Bhavan. So you are having both camp and seminar schedule. Hope you will learn a lot from this camp here and then go back knowledgeable and illuminated and ready for your future. Thank you so much.
मैं साइंस एंड कल्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के राष्ट्रीय वार्षिक प्रशिक्षण शिविर में प्रशिक्षार्थियों की तरफ से यह शपथ ग्रहण करता हूं कि इस शिविर में प्राप्त शिक्षा द्वारा
इफेक्ट आपकी बॉडी के ब्लड में जो भी कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल है, बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल, गुड कोलेस्ट्रॉल, कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल को सडन डाउन कर देगा।
सुनील, अरे ओ भाई सुनील, कैसे हो? कैसे हो? अरे बहुत अच्छा हुआ।
अभी सोचा पे राहुल नहीं, हम पूछता है घर के लोग अच्छे हैं कि नहीं।
हमें घर से बाहर निकलना।
हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, जो तुम भी कहो। आओ हम मिलजुल के
Sangachadhvang Sangbadadhvang Sangho Manao Sijana Tam
I welcome you all in the valedictory session at the very beginning. Season's greetings to all of you. This is the very good season in the year. Now, if they ask you what is the take-home message, what you have learned from here, so you will have to say something. And that word is nothing but the national integration. We have learned what does it mean by integration. A big country like India, 29 states, more than 400 languages, and 1.38 billion people, but they are all united through a thread, and that is diversity in unity. Unity in diversity. For boys, the best cadet, Bishesh Shubha of Sikkim B.Ed College.
Bishesh Shubha, Sikkim Government College is the best cadet of today's National Integration and Youth Leadership Camp.
To talk about myself, I am a B.Ed trainee. I'm going to finish my B.Ed. I'm in the last semester. So this was a very great experience, to be honest. Finished my college, I finished my school, I'm graduated, and I suggest you all, always take part in such camps. Whenever you get chance, always collect all the knowledge, all the experiences that you can get.
Best cadet for girls, Mitali Meska, Dr. Ambedkar College, Tripura.
Our Chief Guest, Professor Alok Kumar Banerjee.
I would like to thank the organization for conducting such an opportunity for the youth, for the upcoming youth, for the nation, that we can learn so much by exchanging our culture and then our ideas, our creativity, and not only just creativity, but from our personal experience, from our own lives, we can share within a span of just a short time, that is just 1 week.
I am very glad that we have successfully completed 27th National Integration and Youth Leadership Camp with our students' participation.
Today, we are here in Paljor Stadium, auditorium, basketball auditorium, for the valedictory ceremony of 27 National Integration and Youth Leadership Camp on and from 24 to 30th December in Gangtok, Sikkim, in cooperation with Government of Sikkim, Northeastern Council, and Ministry of Defense. I also express my cordial and special gratitude to the government of Sikkim for providing a beautiful place to organize this national integration camp to empower youth for Viksit Bharat.
Now, the time has come that what you have learned will be displayed now.
अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी, जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी। आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी, जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी। छू के देखो दिल मेरा तुम्हें दिल में अपने भर लूंगी, पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी, मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी, तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी।
Boys, keep get ready.
उड़ी उड़ी जाए। कहने को तो खेल है ये तेरा मेरा साझा, पर मेरा दिल है पतंग और तेरी नजर मांझा, मांझे से लिपटी ये पतंग जुड़ी जुड़ी जाए।
पुदीना देगा नाक का नागिना देगा, चिकनी चमेली देखी चिकना कमीना देगा, चांदनी चिडर होके चीट किया तो सारे तारे बोलेगी।
बाबा वो मैंने समझ लिया, ये अच्छा है, ये सब्जी सब अच्छा है। मैं पूछ रहा हूँ घर पे सब कुछ कैसा है?
देखो तू कितना चमक रहा है मेरा बैगुन, अच्छा है तू।
अरे बाबा अपना कान दिखाओ। मशीन कहाँ पे? कान का मशीन मशीन
मशीन।
हाँ
तो मैं रख लिया घर पे।
क्यों नहीं लगाया मशीन? मशीन क्यों नहीं लगाया?
वो मेरे को मशीन लगाते वक्त सब बोलते हैं कि वो तू बेरा चाचा आ गया, बेरा चाचा। मेरे को गुस्सा आता है ना इसीलिए।
ये तो आज मैच है ना,
और वो 10 मार्क्स का आएगा।
हाँ हाँ मैंने भी पढ़ लिया। और वो पढ़ा कि जो मैम ने दिया था
एक्सक्यूज मी आज तो इंग्लिश का मैथ्स का पेपर है ना, आप इंग्लिश क्यों पढ़ रहे हो?
किसने बोला?
आज है, आज है ना मैथ्स का एग्जाम?
नहीं, आज इंग्लिश का है।
हम तो सोचे आज मैथ्स का पेपर है।
नहीं, क्या बोल लो यार, अरे छोड़ो।
अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे?
तुम लोगों ने ये पढ़ा ना? अरे ये वाला
खुशबू?
नहीं, ये ग्रामर वाला। हाँ।
We are going to distribute certificates one by one according to your school or colleges.